Hi, I'm Bier. Welcome to Thai in 2 Minutes here on Buzzin Pattaya, the show I'll be teaching you all the important words you need to know in easy to remember ways. Hi guys, welcome back to Thai in 2 Minutes here on Buzzin Pattaya. I'm Bier and today I'll be teaching you about what other words you can say in a bar or here in a bar.
Alright Bier, so I'm inside a bar. If I want to say someone about, like, I want to give them a kiss or they want to kiss me, how do you say the word kiss?
JOOP.
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 Okay.
Actually, some people shorten it and make it more like fun, as in JOOP.
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 Okay.
So there's JOOP and there's JOOP.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So that big gorilla right behind you, if he says, "I'll JOOP, mate."
Bye. I'm out.
Okay, that's a no. All right. And what about if you want to give someone a cuddle or a hug? I mean, how do you ask for that?
God.
God.
God. Yeah.
Okay. So "I'll God" means I want to cuddle.
Well, yeah. Yes, it is. Yeah. God. God. Yeah.
Okay. Brilliant. And let's just imagine the relationship's progressed at least 10 minutes and then they say they love you.
Oh dear.
How would they say I love you?
All right, so they would say lakna. Yeah, so that means like love you.
Okay,
yeah.
And you'd often hear that as a rak, wouldn't you?
Yeah, rak. It's rak. Originally R as in R-A-K, but
yeah.
because the problem with pronouncing R and L, it's become lakna, rakna,
okay.
Same thing.
All right. And what about I like you?
I like you is sharp.
Sharp.
Sharp. So ฉันชอบคุณ that's too formal, wouldn't it? It'd be more like.
You're the expert. Well, I'd say.
I don't really go to the bars, do I?
Chop.
ชอบนะ yeah, nah at the end, that's perfect.
All right, cool.
So ชอบนะ yeah.
All right, so I've sat there, I've had a beer, she's asked to kiss me, cuddle me, tells me she loves me and says she likes me, and I want to say, look, just go away. How do I say go away?
ไปไกล
Bye, guy, guy.
Yep, ไปไกล or just ไป
Bye. Okay,
yeah.
And that's when you run then because she's about to hit the roof.
Absolutely, yes.
All right, brilliant. Okay, so just to go through that then, so kiss.
จูบ or จุ๊บ
Okay, cuddle.
กอด
Love you.
รักนะ
Like you.
ชอบนะ
Go away.
ไปไกล Alright guys, that's me for today. Thank you for watching Thai in 2 Minutes here on Buzzin Pattaya. If you have any questions or any other words that you would like me to help you with, you can comment them down below in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe, and of course you can click on the bell icon to get notifications of my next lessons. Also, I have a Facebook group where I will be dropping in keywords of the day, so if you would like to join that and ask me questions on there, you can do. And if you would like to support our channel, there's a link below where you can buy us a coffee, and that would be much appreciated. Thank you very much guys. Bye bye.